So here I'm logged into admin dashboard of WordPress, and here we will see how we can add SMS notification feature in contact form. Okay, so I will show you how you can set up in contact form 7. This is my contact form 7. User will get notified on their phone number. For that, we will install a plugin and set up. So here, search for WP SMS, through which we'll set up SMS notification feature. Click on install. Here you can see WP SMS Ultimate SMS. Okay. Now with this plugin, you can integrate in multiple forms or any WooCommerce many things. But we want to, as of now, we want to integrate it in only our contact form. Here you can see in integration. Here there is option of contact form which is free. Now you can see in your contact form get SMS notification. Here SMS notification. Here you see. Now the first thing what we need to do, here we need to see the contact number. So here I have created contact number field. It is very important that in your form there must be a contact number field. Then only you will be able to send the form. Now to send it, I need to copy this field. This is my contact number field. Go to SMS notification, send to. Here we need to add percentage, then phone number, sorry, then percentage. Now here in body you want what you want to say, whatever you want to say, you need to do it in same way like percentage, then form from field like name or any detail you want to send in message body, send to. You can use send to. Now if you want to send that form to a specific number or as an admin to yourself, you can also do that by typing your number here. You can just type your number from here, like in whichever number you want to send, and you can send it. Now, now this is for WooCommerce contact form setting. Now we need to set up the SMS setting. Okay, you can test a message, test from this. Now in plugin you can see setting. Now here you need to say admin mobile number. Okay, first need to mandatory field, mobile number mandatory field required. Okay, and one more thing here we need to set up the SMS gateway. That's very important. So here it is for global. These are for global, but these are available only in pro version. So we will go to free version in India. Here you can see India, and India these SMS providers are free. Do you need to create account with this SMS provider? Suppose like smsgatewayhub.com. I've selected it. Now I need to get the API. For that, here we see SMS Gateway Hub India. I need to create account it and get the ID. Then only like I need to get the API key, sender ID, register DLL. These detail I need to get. Then only my gateway will be activated and only able to send message. So first you need to configure this setting. Then only you can able to send notification with contact form 7. I've told you how. Now if you want to send notification with Twilio, like Twilio option as if now is only available in pro version of this plugin. If you want to send with Twilio, I have some other plugin that will provide it for free. That is SMS extension for contact form 7. You can use this plugin and get Twilio account set up and send the message through contact form 7. Okay, if you want to use Twilio account, then you can use this plugin. Okay, so that's all. That's how you can set up SMS notification in contact form 7 to user. That's very simple. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.